At Samsung Unpacked 2025, just when we thought the show was over, Samsung had one more surprise. Introducing the Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung calls it the culmination of their most innovative technology in a sleek, powerful, and unique form factor. But what exactly is the S25 Edge? Let's dive in. Samsung kept details under wraps, only showing a teaser featuring its internal components and a 3D render. The S25 Edge is ultra-thin, sporting a sleek metallic gray design with a glass back for wireless charging. From hands-on footage, it appears thinner than the iPhone 6, and could be Samsung's thinnest flagship yet at around 6.40 meters. Unlike the S25 Ultra's triple-lens setup, the S25 Edge has two large camera modules in a unique island design. The main sensor is likely the same 200-megapixel camera from the Ultra, offering high-quality 2x and possibly 3x, 4x sensor-cropped zoom. The secondary camera is expected to be a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, ample RAM, and top-tier display remain, making it more of an Ultra alternative than an S25 Plus upgrade. Samsung previously used the Edge branding for curved screen models, but the S25 Edge has a flat display. This suggests the name now signifies cutting-edge innovation, making this a potential new premium lineup of ultra-thin, high-tech devices. With its thin design, Samsung may introduce silicon carbon battery tech to maintain a competitive battery life without increasing thickness. This would make the S25 Edge the first Samsung phone to feature this technology. The S25 Edge is expected to be priced between the S25 Plus and Ultra, competing directly with Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air, which aims to be even thinner at 5.5 to 6.25 millimeters. Both brands seem to be embracing the ultra-thin flagship trend. The S25 Edge is rumored to launch in May 2025, with a potential MWC unveiling in March. Samsung may position it as a new flagship category, emphasizing premium design over bulky camera setups. Would you trade camera versatility for a sleeker, ultra-thin phone? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more hands-on coverage.